Physical activity and exercise are not the same thing. The ways that they affect our health are different and they cannot be interchanged for one another. If we want to achieve optimal health and longevity, it's important to understand how they are different and how they can each be implemented within our lifestyle to get the best of both. So how do we balance them day to day for our best health and longevity? Firstly, the definitions of physical activity and exercise are different. Physical activity refers to any bodily movement that burns energy, from active daily tasks to taking brief active breaks from sitting. Exercise, on the other hand, is a structured and repetitive form of physical activity strategically designed to enhance health and fitness. The benefits of physical activity and exercise are also different. Firstly, physical activity helps to counteract the negative effects of prolonged inactivity. Extended sitting or lounging can trigger harmful inflammatory processes that lead to chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Simple actions like breaking up sitting with light movement every 30 minutes can stunt these harmful processes. Conversely, exercise actively promotes health and longevity by improving the function of almost all of our bodily systems. For the best health and longevity benefit, exercise should be regular, at least moderately effortful, and lasting 20 minutes or more, at least every second day. When it comes to the science, research shows that the protective health benefits of physical fitness from exercise are roughly twice as great as those from just increasing physical activity. But as we've seen, the benefits are unique and independent of one another. So going for an afternoon jog does not cancel the effects of sitting all day, and hitting 10,000 low-effort steps does not deliver the health benefits of structured, regular, and effortful exercise. But when combined, we will receive greater health and longevity benefits than just doing one in isolation. So it's all about balance. Incorporate light movements into your daily routine, like strength exercise or a short walk every 30 minutes to counteract inactivity. Simultaneously, engage in regular exercise sessions with moderate effort tailored to your capabilities. Whether it's a gentle yoga session, a swim, or a modified workout, find activities that suit your needs. And if you face unique health challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to your local exercise physiologist for personalized support. So remember, for health and longevity, physical activity and exercise are not interchangeable. It's about balancing both in your lifestyle for a healthier and longer life. I'm David Hutchinson, accredited exercise physiologist at the Charles Perkins Centre Health for Life program, empowering you to achieve better health and longevity through exercise.